Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force restart and reboot your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right in. So you may want to do a quick restart of your device. Maybe it's freezing up. It's been acting up lately. So it's good to do a quick reset every now and then so that you can just, log off of all the apps that are currently running. That way you don't have to do them one by one. And, any apps that may stay running in the background, this will help close everything out and restart the phone fresh again so that hopefully it can unfreeze and you can start using it normally again. All right, so let's get right into it. So let's say you're stuck in an app, for example, like this. So all you got to do is from anywhere on your phone, you just press and hold volume down and this Bixby button right here. Press and hold them both together until the phone screen shuts off. All right, let's go ahead and do it now. So you are going to see the power off menu appear. You can also hit restart if you see this. But if it doesn't, you just continue to hold and then you let go when the screen blacks out. Okay, and after a few seconds or maybe a minute, it will automatically restart. And there we go. We can see the Samsung Galaxy logo now, so it is rebooting. And there we go. Looks like the phone has booted on completely now. So yep, that is how you do a quick restart, also known as a soft reset, on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Go ahead and hit the like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.